Oh, a couple nice cod. Well, we haven't been at this for very long, but we have more than enough fish. I think it's time to go back and grill some up. Look at all this fish. We're going to take advantage of this lovely weather and grill up some fish here.
I'm worried about getting sunburned.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that. You got potatoes, fresh cod, veggies.
Take a potato.
You know, this is not too bad. Sitting on a boat in a beautiful day, eating fresh fish. I could do this more often. Rebecca, are you full?
I'm full.
Hey.